You see the outline with the moon. I know it's been a while. Sorry. It's been super busy. Too many projects I have to wrap up before the winter, and I have just zero time. I mean, I live in Maine here. It could snow tomorrow. I mean, I highly doubt it's going to snow tomorrow, but it could. That's the wind. Slight wind. Now we weren't supposed to get rain till Tuesday, and it's perfectly clear sky right now, but last night for about an hour it poured. Let me pause and reset this camera. That crater right there at the top looks very triangular. Right there. right in the middle of the screen, that crater. And it could be the angle, who knows, but it looks very, very triangular to me. Well, I had to get myself ready for work this morning, but I just wanted to get a shot of the moon for y'all. There it is, right there. There it is. Yep, so anyhow, I am, I don't know if you can see that right there, working on my chicken coop, which is attached to the back of my garage. And there's other construction projects I've been working on, but that's the biggest one. As far as building construction projects, that's the biggest one over the last week and a half or so. I gotta make the doors, which I'm building them myself, just like the window I built myself. I cut up some of those logs. You can't see them, but I cut up some of the logs from the trees that I cut down from clearing the land, built the window. I just used a piece of plexiglass, but the window itself, the window frame, the jamb, you know, the whole 9 yards, everything, I built. So it takes a little more time than buying one from a store. My first one, you know, because I had to come up with the design and everything, took me about 4 hours, and that's straight from logs to a window. The second window should only take me about 2 at the most, 2 hours to build it, frame it, install it, the whole 9 yards. Cut the lumber. You all have a great day.